In this video, I want to show you how to remove and reinstall your front bumper cover. Let's get started. From underneath, if your vehicle is equipped with fog lights, let's unplug these first. That way the connections are out of our way. You can just reach in here, push this tab back and pry the connector down, unplug it. Do the same to the other side because the fog lights will come with the bumper cover. On both sides of the bumper cover, you'll have two 10mm screws. Remove both of them. One is right here and the other one right here. Again, do this to both left and right side. Make sure the fender liner pops out of its retaining clip here. All right. On the side by the wheel, you'll notice that where the bumper cover meets the fender, if you peel this fender liner back, there will be a hidden 10mm bolt. We'll have to remove that. Do this to the other side as well. At this point on each side, we can just pop the bumper cover off, just like that. On the lower grille at the front, you'll see that there are two push clips to be removed because they hold the bumper cover onto the actual crash bar here, the bumper support underneath. And the only three things holding it on at the top are going to be two Phillips head screws right here, and then a push clip. Let's start with the push clip. Just get your trim tool, pop out the center, and remove the outer piece. As for the Phillips head screws, just get a screwdriver in there. Sometimes they're pretty stuck, but unscrew them. This rubber piece will come with them. And at this point, we can pull the bumper cover straight off. Be careful because behind it, there will be a styrofoam piece. This right here. It should stay attached to this, but sometimes it doesn't and it comes off with the bumper cover. There you go. Set this aside. Grab your bumper cover and make sure that this styrofoam piece is still attached either to the vehicle or to the bumper cover. It's important that you have this here. Slide it over, pay attention to your headlights, make sure you don't scratch the lenses, make sure everything fits in just fine. Center it up and it'll kind of fall into place once it's lined up. On the side, make sure it lines up with the headlight assembly and make sure it lines up with the clip over here or the bumper bracket. Tap it in. This seems to be perfect. At the front, put back the two push clips. On the side, peel back the fender liner again and resecure the bumper cover to the fender. This screws into plastic, so make sure you don't over tighten it because it'll easily strip out and then it won't hold. Tuck the fender liner back into place. Once you've done that to both sides, plug in both fog lights and then grab the fender liner underneath here and resecure it to the bumper. Put the clip in the middle back into its spot and lock it in. Push the bumper cover in to line it up with the bolt hole here and resecure this Phillips head screw. I'm going to hold it so that it lines up as I tighten it. Make it nice and snug and do the same to the other side. There you have it, job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.